From analog.
Hi, Jim. You've a great signal up here. You're 5.9 plus.
To digital.
We are everywhere you want to be. This is the CQ Blind Hams Podcast.
Hi, this is Joseph VK7JS, and I'm going to demonstrate a new feature that I've just added to Accessible GD77, and I've called it Custom Voice Prompts. Now, as you know, these radios do have voice prompts, but they've got a very limited vocabulary, which means if you have a channel name that is not simply a call sign of a repeater, it will spell it out rather than speak it as words. Imagine if you could create a voice prompt so that you could get the radio to speak as words instead of spelling it out using your own voice. Well, listen to this. I'm going to turn on my GD77 now. Okay, so we're on channel 1, which is called Micro Hub. I'm just going to slow down the speech. Okay, I'm going to go down 1.
40 road channel 29 family channel 18 caravanning channel 3 repeater 2 repeater international space station.
So you've heard a few of the channels there. One was International Space Station, one was
2 repeater
2 repeater
3 repeater
3 repeater
18 caravanning channel
18 caravanning channel
29 family channel
family channel
40
road channel micro hub, etc. How did I do that? Well, as you might know, in the latest version of Accessible GD77 there is a DMR replay facility. So if you hear a signal come in on your DMR channel, you can hit and hold SK2 and press SK1 and replay the last 5 seconds. Well, I've added another feature relating to that so that you can now record a voice prompt. So I'm going to hold down SK1 and press PTT. SK1 and PTT. This is a voice prompt. Now I'm going to hold down SK2 and press SK1. I've got SK2 latch on, so I just have to hit SK2 and then press SK1.
This is a voice prompt.
Now I can associate this voice prompt with a word so that anywhere it appears in the UI, that word, that prompt will be spoken instead. I can play back, you can have up to 10 voice prompts. I can play back the voice prompts to make sure I'm not going to overwrite one by holding SK1 and the numbers, and you'll be able to hear all the voice prompts that I've already recorded.
Family channel, road channel, repeater, caravanning channel, International Space Station, Amateur Radio Missionary Society,
7,
worldwide,
8, nothing, 9, nothing.
Joseph.
I've got Joseph in there, which means if I go to credits, I'll just show you that.
Menu, sound options, user in firmware credits.
And now
Credits ROGER.
go down a few.
LKAJASON. Joseph. VK7JS. Joseph. VK7JS.
So
Menu, credits, micro.
So the way you do it is you record the voice prompt. Let's just do another one. I'll just do... I'll find a channel that hasn't got a voice prompt on it. So RAA is our local repeater. So I'm going to record a voice prompt here. I'm going to hold down SK1 and press PTT. Local repeater. I'm just going to check that with SK2 plus SK1.
Local repeater.
Okay, that sounds good. Now I'm going to store, now to associate that to a word, I'm going to go into the channel details, SK2 plus green.
Channel details, name RAA.
And while the cursor's on RAA, so it's on there, I'm going to now press SK1 and hold it and press SK1 plus 8 because 8 hasn't been used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 0 have been used. So I'm going to hold down.
It's local repeater.
So now I will save that. Actually, I don't need to save that because I didn't change the channel details. I just exit channel details.
Local repeater.
And now I'm back at the channel level. And so if I arrow down...
Hotspot TG9. Local repeater. RBH.
I'll go up to the next one, RBH. So if I go down to local repeater...
Local repeater.
And if I press and hold SK1 to get the summary for that channel now, listen to what it says.
Channel 3. Local repeater. Receive 147.0 MHz. Transmit 146.4 MHz. FM 1 watt from master zone 1. So
I demonstrated how to associate a prompt with a name, and I'll just demonstrate that again. So I can replay the prompts that I've already recorded. SK1 plus the numbers.
Family channel. Road channel. Repeater. Caravanning channel. International Space Station, Amateur Radio Missionary Society, Worldwide, Local Repeater.
9 isn't used, and
Joseph.
10 is Joseph. So short press SK1 plus a number will replay the prompt. Long press, or holding SK1 and long press of the number will save the last recorded prompt in that location. Now, as I said, there's a way of associating a prompt with a word, and that is to save the prompt at the point when your cursor is in an edit field on the text of the edit field. So you can do clever things. As you heard, when I went to the credit screen, it said Joseph VK7JS. So you can actually combine prompts, you know, words that the radio already speaks along with words that you record, just by associating the prompt with a word and then using multiple words in the name of a channel or a contact. There's another way too. If you don't want to associate it with a word, if you just save the prompt from the main channel screen rather than when you're in an edit field, it won't be associated with a word, but you can reference that prompt with the special embedded characters number 1 or pound 1 for prompt 1, pound 2 up to pound 10. So you can add that to a channel name if you don't actually want to associate it with a word. So for instance, my prompt number 1
Family channel
is associated with the letters FC, but I could just as easily have put pound 1. So my channel, channel 29, family channel.
Hotspot T. Local hotspot. Micro hub 429. Family channel.
So the name of the channel is 29 space FC. So what I did there was, first of all, I recorded family channel. Then I went into channel details and deleted what was in there and just put FC in. Saved the prompt, SK1 long press of 1. It associated the family channel with the letters FC. Then I edited it and added in the 29 and the space so that it will read 29 family channel. Now, if you don't like the way it is spoken and you want to re-record it, you can just re-record it and then resave it, and it'll keep the existing word association. Of course, if you want to delete the prompt, you can do that too. All you do is you save an empty prompt. So you press and release SK1 plus PTT really quickly, and then save that, and it will remove the word association and delete the custom prompt in that location. Now, this is also available on the GD77S, but I'll do that as a separate demo. The other thing I wanted to show you was, if you listen carefully,
29 family channel.
Now I'm going to change the voice rate.
Menu credits. AutoZone credit firmware user sound options.
Sound options.
Sound options. Voice rate 1. Voice rate 3. Voice rate 8. 29 family channel.
And the recorded rate speeds up to match the rate of your voice prompt.
40 road channel 29 family channel 16 caravanning channel 3 repeater 2 repeater international space station RTC
and etc. I'll just change that back.
Channel details name RTC.
Whoops, wrong one.
Menu sound options voice rate 8 voice rate 5 4 voice rate 3 RTC international space station 2 repeater 3 repeater 18 caravanning channel 29 family channel 40 road channel micro hub.
And there we have the custom voice prompt feature. Again, record a prompt with SK1 plus PTT, replay the prompt with SK2 plus SK1, save a prompt with the saved prompts with SK1 plus numbers 1 through 0 or 1 through 10, and save the prompt with SK1 plus long hold of the numbers 1 through 10. And if you want to associate the prompt with a word, make sure that when you save it, you are in the edit field on the word. I'll just show you that where I did my name. I went to radio information.
Menu, sound options, user firmware credits, auto zone, channel detail, contact, last heard, RSSR, radio information, options, display option, sound option, user information.
User information, sorry.
User information, menu, call sign, the DMRID 5, 1, VK7JS, 2, Joseph.
And so what I did was originally I saved the prompt here. So I arrowed to it.
P-E-S-O-J-O-S-E-P-H.
So I was on that word Joseph when I saved the prompt. It's always better to save the prompt, to record the prompt at the channel screen, then go to the edit where you want and save it, because pressing PTT exits any subscreen, because when you push to talk, it actually goes to a special transmit screen. So I hope you've enjoyed that demo. This is VK7JS, and you can reach me, VK7JS, at faithfulgenerations.com. VK7JS at faithfulgenerations.com. faithfulgenerations.com.
Please don't forget to subscribe to CQ Blind Hams podcast and also visit www.blindhams.com.